Hello everyone. Today I will be sharing with you another favorite recipe drink. This drink gives a little bit of a kick. It's high in beta-carotene, fiber and protein. You will be needing 5 carrots, 1½ apples, 2 oranges, 1 mango and 2 centimeters ginger, and you'll get about 800 milliliters of juice. I am using fine filter for this drink. You can also use the coarse filter, but I prefer to use the fine filter, so the juice will be smoother. And here's our spicy apple carrot juice. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates.